I love nature. I don't know. I feel like it just changes me. Is that a bug? You guys, should we say fuck it and move to Montana? I think I'm gonna throw my phone away. Yeah, I'm done with social media. Wait, can someone take a picture of me for Instagram? You guys, I feel so free. Oh my God, there's a bug in my mouth. We should just get off the grid and live out of our cars for a year. I don't know, nature's changing me. Just nature girl things. Should we all become vegan? Something about this hike is telling me that we should. Oh my God, do you guys think it's edible? You don't choose the granola lifestyle. The granola lifestyle chooses you. Bug. Wait, you guys, how much longer till we're done? I want to go to the mall.